Hey y'all, what's going on? Let's get right into it. Today we're gonna do makeup for bold lips. Fun, fun, fun. Let's get those spring color lippies out. My advice here, it's very simple. If you're using a cool tone lipstick, use cool tone eyeshadows. Keep them neutral, but because remember, I feel as though if you're going to wear a bold lip, it should be a neutral eye. Same thing if you're going to do a bold eye, it should be a neutral lip. So if your lip color is warm tone, then stick with the warm tone neutrals for your eye look. If it's cool tone, then you're going to stick with the cool tone colors. Keep it all in the same family, that way it looks more unison. Is that the right word? And as you can see, even though it's a neutral eye, it's a very simple eye, I still added some shimmer, a cat eye, the typical standards, I guess. So you can still have fun with it. I'm not saying do a boring eye, but when it comes to the colors, just maybe keep it more to the browns, the nude colors, things of that nature. And here I'm just doing my face. Covering up all that damn redness I got going on. And here we go. I picked my boldest lips for my collection. Y'all know I love me some crazy lip colors. And as you can see, the blue goes with the blush, goes with the eyes. Maybe not so much the blush because I did put a bronzer in there, and bronzers are normally warm tone. So we'll skip that part, but you see how it goes with the eyes. It kind of just flows. Even though you got a crazy ass lip, you don't look crazy because you got a subtle eye. Then I went in with this gray color, and honestly I just put it right over that blue, and I love this color. How unique is this lip color? Come on. I love this look. I might rock this look going out. Just don't know where yet, but I would rock this look. And these bold lips, a lot of them, they make your teeth look whiter, which is a beautiful thing. That's what I'm checking out right now. And I'm changing it up here. I'm just wearing a purple, but still in the cool tone family, so you can see what I'm talking about. Look how pretty. And that's it for today, guys. I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.